How to use Edit's Instagram app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Edit's Instagram app. So first of all, just simply open the application, and over here you will be able to see all the projects that you have made in the past. So I have tried and tested this app and it works absolutely fine to edit your reels on the go. The app is Instagram integrated, so you can directly go ahead and upload your videos on Instagram quite easily, which is very nice. So in order to start your project, just simply click on this plus icon. Now just start with the project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and go to the gallery section and select the video of your choice that you would want to edit. So I have selected this one. And now simple, you just simply have to put on the audio. For example, I'm putting this one and just select it and add in the video. And you can also go ahead and make some splits. So for example, I want to split the video from here and here, and I want to place it after this. So you can do that. You can add captions. So you can also add your own voice. You can record it and add it. And once it is done, click on right section. You can also add overlay. For example, I want to add this particular picture right here. So you can see this picture overlay is here. You can simply drag and adjust the picture as per your liking. So for example, I'm adjusting it. I want to put it right here. And once this is done, you can also go ahead and add text in the video itself. So you can actually do a lot. And once everything is sorted, you can add colors of your choice. You can make the text little bold and add some animation. For example, I'm adding this one. You have different options, which is quite nice. And once everything is done, overlay, cutout, stickers you can add. So you can do a lot in this. You can play around and see what works for you. And once everything is done, you have the option to select the video quality and the resolution. Just select 4K or 2K as per your liking. You can also select the frame rate. I usually go with 60 frame rate per second. You can change that as per your liking. And once this is done, just simply click on export. And once the video is export completely, you can directly go to the Instagram section and upload the reel right here. As you can see that I have come to the Instagram right now. Now I just simply have to put the caption and my video is done, and just select the cover for the reel and just simply go ahead and share it. So this is basically how simple it is to add and use edit apps. You can also go ahead and download this video from the application, and once this is done, this is how simple it is to use Edit's Instagram app. I hope you find this video to be helpful.